Stone Expert, a leader in polyurethane resin production, presents the main stages of creating drainage joints on natural stone paving. The first stage involves creating a flexible and permeable laying bed. For this purpose, we recommend a maximum bed thickness of 50 mm, using a dry aggregate with a particle size of 4 to 8 mm. The material used must have excellent fragmentation resistance, such as porphyry, granite, or basalt. When laying the various stone elements, maintain an average spacing of 10 to 15 mm to allow complete saturation of the joints by the gravel. After the paving is complete, the joints are filled with the same gravel used for the laying bed. This is followed by the compaction stage using a vibrating plate, which should be of a size and weight appropriate for the intended use of the pavement. This phase is extremely important and should not be overlooked, as it gives the structure the right stability in terms of strength and durability. For fragile paving elements, such as limestone and concrete slabs, the vibrating plate can be equipped with a special rubber coating. After compaction, there is a lowering of the joint level by 20 to 30 mm, which will be filled with a finishing gravel, usually of a smaller particle size than the gravel used for the laying bed. For optimal drainage, we recommend using gravel with a particle size of 2 to 4 mm, but gravel of different sizes may also be suitable, though never smaller than 2 mm. For proper resin bonding, Flexystone, it's important to use dry, dust-free gravel. A flexi tank is necessary for applying polyurethane resin when working on large areas. After inserting the Flexystone polyurethane resin drum into the tank, close the lid tightly, taking care not to over-tighten the closing screws. You can now pressurize the system using an air compressor. The flexi tank is calibrated to operate at a pressure of 4 bars. We now proceed with bonding the Flexystone resin joint by joint. This operation requires no special skills and can be easily performed by any industry professional. Within minutes, the resin flows down the entire depth of the joint, and after about 24 hours, the road can be reopened for pedestrian use or even heavy truck and bus traffic. This installation system doesn't require any post-application intervention, unlike traditional methods. These are the main stages for creating a pavement that is permeable, flexible, sound-absorbing, resistant to heavy traffic, freezing and thawing, acids and salts, and, last but not least, durable for years. Stone Expert organizes periodic refresher courses, both on-site and online, covering any new laying techniques or new products.